Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to make super delicious and super quick Thai green chicken curry. So let's get cooking. Thai green chicken recipe is one of the famous side dish globally. Treat yourself and master this authentic Southeast Asian recipe, and rest assured you won't go for a Thai takeaway anymore. So before we start cooking, I will run you through all my ingredients. So I have a 1 3/4 cup of coconut milk, so I divided to 3/4 cup. I have a green curry paste here, sweet Thai basil. Don't worry, this is not black, this is the purple one. The palm sugar, the fish sauce, kaffir lime leaves, and Thai aubergine. And also today, we are going to use a chicken thigh instead of a chicken breast. On a medium-high heat, we're gonna fry our paste. So it's very important to fry first our aromatic paste. And today I didn't make my own paste because I don't have time for that. But you can easily find it at all Asian supermarket. You can also make your own paste. That's not a problem. So in goes the paste. So this is 2 tablespoons of green curry paste. You have to be very careful because my curry which I bought from the store is a medium hot, and I don't want my green curry that spicy. And after, in goes a 3/4 cup of coconut milk. So we're just gonna saute this for 2 minutes until the oil from the coconut will release and the aromatic paste will release its flavor. So now we're going to add our chicken thighs. This is a 500 grams of chicken thighs. And don't worry, all the written recipe will be up at seskitchen.com. It's good to use chicken thigh than chicken breast because chicken thigh can be braised, and chicken breast, if you overcook it, it's gonna be tough, and you don't want that. We're gonna add our last coconut milk, 1 cup of coconut milk. We need to get all the last bit of the coconut milk. And we are simmer this for 5 to 10 minutes. Oh, by the way, we can also add chicken broth. I have a chicken broth here, 1 cup. To enhance the richer flavor of the chicken. So we're going to let this simmer for 10 to 5 minutes and we will come back. This has been simmering for 5 minutes, so we're going to add our palm sugar. This is 2 tablespoons of palm sugar. So basically Thai chicken curry, the authentic one, it's not really sweet, but it balances the shrimp paste that you put it in the paste and the fish sauce. And then some kaffir lime leaves. Tear it apart. And close the lid again for another 10 minutes. So while we're waiting for our curry, let's chop some Thai aubergine. You can find this easily in an Asian supermarket. I've already washed this. So there you go. I've chopped my Thai aubergine into quarters. If it's too small, you can just cut it in half. So doesn't really make a difference. So now we are going to add the aubergines. I added lots of aubergine because I don't want the aubergine to be overcooked. And now we're going to fine tune this curry by adding a little bit of fish sauce. You need to be very, very careful with adding fish sauce here, because adding fish sauce in a curry, especially a store-bought paste, it has a lot of shrimp rays on it. So maybe we can just add 1 or 2 tablespoons. And taste it. That's perfect. And my chicken and my aubergine is ready for tender. And last but not the least, we will add our sweet Thai basil. I want loads of it. So now let's turn off the heat. Let's plate up and taste this delicious Thai green chicken curry. So guys, it's time to taste. So I have a jasmine rice here that is already have been cooked, and what is Asian food without rice. So now let's taste now this one. I'm so excited. You can really smell the whole house, like, oh, it's so good. A little bit of the sauce over my rice. Taste it. It's perfect comfort winter food. I feel I'm transported back to Thailand. You guys really need to try this, seriously. So more of my recipes. Please don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and check www.seskitchen.com for more recipes. Have a lovely day.